Hello students, today we see examples, how to solve examples in November 2018 exam. Here 11th question number 11, cos square 30 plus cos 30 into sin 30 plus sin square 30 divided by cos cube 30 minus sin cube 30. We have to find value of this. Now we know formula a cube minus b cube. Now what are the factors of a cube minus b cube? In first bracket a minus b, in second bracket a square plus multiplication of these two, that is ab plus b square. Now we have to use this formula here. Write down numerator as it is. Cos square 30 degree plus cos 30 degree into sin 30 degree plus sin square 30 degree divided by using formula a cube minus b cube. In first bracket a minus b, that is cos 30 degree minus sin 30 degree. In second bracket a square, that is cos square 30 degree plus multiplication of these two, that is cos 30 degree sin 30 degree plus square of this, that is sin square 30 degree. Now here this bracket cos square 30 plus cos 30 sin 30 plus sin square 30, and these two brackets are equal, therefore this get cancelled. Therefore remaining terms are 1 upon cos 30 degree minus sin 30 degree. Now put values of cos 30 degree. 1 upon, what is value of cos 30 degree? In this triangle cos 30 degree, of adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 minus sin 30 degree opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon, now taking LCM 2, here root 3 minus 1. Therefore taking reciprocal of this is equal to, or 1 upon 1 into 2 upon root 3 minus 1. 2 upon root 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon root 3 minus 1. 2 upon root 3 minus 1 इथं आहे का? नाही. Therefore multiplying and dividing by its complex conjugate, that is square root 3 plus 1 divided by square root 3 plus 1 is equal to 2 into bracket square root 3 plus 1 divided by a minus b, a plus b, by using formula a square minus b square, that is root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1 is equal to 2 into bracket root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 get cancelled, therefore answer is root 3 plus 1. Correct choice is B. Question number 12. If tan theta is equal to minus 1, then find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Now here first write down given sec theta or is equal to. Now we have to use tan theta. म्हणजे आपल्याला tan theta वापरायचं आहे, म्हणून tan theta च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहावं लागेल. कसं काय करावं लागेल पहा. यातून cosec theta आपण कॉमन काढलं. cosec theta into bracket पहा sec theta upon cosec theta, sec theta upon cosec theta plus 1. cosec theta upon cosec theta is 1 divide by denominator मधून cos theta कॉमन काढलं cos theta into bracket cos theta upon cos theta is 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta is equal to now cosec theta into bracket sec theta upon cosec theta sec theta म्हणजे 1 upon cos theta divide by 1 upon sin theta cosec theta म्हणजे याचा रेसिप्रोकल घेतला 1 upon cos theta into sin theta वरती जाईल sin theta upon 1 that is sin theta upon cos theta आणि sin theta upon cos theta म्हणजे काय tan theta plus 1 divide by cos theta into bracket 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Now put value of tan theta is minus 1. Therefore cosec theta into bracket minus 1 plus 1 divided by cos theta into bracket 1 plus tan theta is value of tan theta is minus 1. Value of tan theta is minus 1. Therefore, here minus 1 plus 1, this becomes 0. This becomes 0. Therefore, is equal to 0. Since minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 ची value 0. 0 ना cosec theta ना multiply केलं 0 येईल. Therefore, right hand side is 0. Therefore, value of this is 0. Question number 13. Line PQ parallel to line AB. The slope of the line AB is 1 upon 2. Y-intercept of line PQ is 3. Find x-intercept. Now we know formula. Slope of line AB. Y is equal to mx plus c. इथं m ला काय म्हणतात स्लोप आणि c ला काय म्हणतात y intercept. Therefore put values. Now value of y is equal to slope is 1 upon 2 into x plus y intercept of line PQ is 3. Y intercept is 3. Therefore y minus 1 upon 2x is equal to 3. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? Here is y. We have to find x intercept. x intercept ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. याला असं लिहिता येईल y to 3 ना dividing by 3 y upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 into 3 that is 2 into 3 6 is equal to 3 upon 3 is y. This is x. This can be written as therefore y upon 3 plus x upon minus 6 minus 1 upon 6 last लिहिता येईल plus x upon minus 6 म्हणजे minus 1 upon 6 is equal to 1. This is of the form x upon a plus y upon b is equal to c. That is x upon a plus y upon b. क्या a ला काय म्हणतात? This is a, this is b. This is x intercept. Therefore x intercept is minus 6. आपल्याला काय करायचं होतं? Find x intercept. Therefore x intercept is equal to minus 6. Correct choice is C. आपल्याला y intercept विचारला असतं तर किती उत्तर आलं असतं? 3. Question number 14. Find the ratio of the volume to total surface area of a sphere of radius square root 7 centimeter. Here we have given radius is square root 7, r is equal to square root 7 centimeter. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, वी हॅव टू फाइंड द रेशिओ ऑफ व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ स्पियर टू surface area of sphere, total surface area to total surface area of sphere. Now what is formula of volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube divided by total surface area of sphere. Total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Here pi get cancel. Pi 4 numerator मध्ये, therefore 4 get cancel. Here r square get cancel. 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore remaining terms is r upon 3. Now put value of r is square root 7. Therefore is equal to square root 7 upon 3. This is the ratio. Correct choice is A. Question number 15. The diameter of the base of a cylindrical metal block is 6.6 centimeter. Cylindrical metal box. Suppose this is cylindrical metal box. Its diameter is 6.6. Therefore, its radius is r is equal to 3.3 centimeter. And its height is 0.4 meter. 0.4 meter. 0.4 meter is equal to 0.4 into 100 is equal to 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Height is 40 centimeter. How many discs of diameter 2.2 centimeter and height 0.2 centimeter can be cut from this metal block? तर या मेटल ब्लॉक पासून आपल्याला डायमीटर 2.2 आणि हाईट 0.2 असलेले किती ब्लॉक येतील ते काढायचे. समजा आपण सपोज वी गेट n ब्लॉक्स, म्हणजे n ब्लॉक आपल्याला काढायचे, n ब्लॉक मिळतील. कोणत्या साइजचे? नाउ व्हाट इज फॉर्म्युला फॉर व्हाट इज व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर? व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज पाय r स्क्वेअर h. म्हणजे इथं काही पाय r स्क्वेअर, पाय व्हॅल्यू ऑफ r इज 2.2 सेंटीमीटर आहे. आपल्याला n ब्लॉक तयार होतील काढायचे. r is 2.2 divided by 2, that is 1.1 whole square. Pi r square h, value of h is 0.2, is equal to दिलेला सिलेंड्रिकल मेटलचा ब्लॉक आहे त्याचे किती? pi r square h, pi r square that is 3.3 whole square into h is 40. Therefore, n is equal to, here pi get cancelled. n हा स्मॉल ब्लॉक आहे, तर असे किती ब्लॉक होतील? n ब्लॉक होतील काढायचे आहे. तर हा मेटल ब्लॉक्स दिलेला आहे त्याचं व्हॉल्यूम. Therefore, n is equal to pi get cancelled. 3.3 square, that is 3.3 into 3.3 into 40 divided by 1.1 into 1.1 into 0.2. This decimal point get cancelled. Dividing by 11.3, dividing by 11.3. Now here this decimal point get cancelled, or dividing by this decimal point get cancelled. Here we take 0. That is 400. एक न पुढे सरकवला, इथे एक 0 वाढवला. 2 ने डिवाइड केला तर 1, इथं 200. म्हणजे रिमेनिंग टर्म्स काय आल्या? 3 into 3 9 into 200, that is 9 into 2 1800. म्हणजे 1800 मीटर ब्लॉक मिळतील. दिस द आन्सर.